here today on this beautiful Sunday. Uh-oh. Jay, I just caught that. Jay, I just caught that. That's going on here. Hey, man. Aside from our boy Black Panther over there just fucking failing in the beginning of the video, we out here showing some love, man, for that boy Tony. Everybody pulling up here. Show love for that boy, man. Resting in paradise for sure.
Yeah, I be seeing cars that ain't getting what you
We're here for my boy Tony, man. That's what we out here for. We gotta show some love. Yes, sir. But this one got the dreams treatment right here. See, we go all out, man. You gotta do it, you gotta go all the way out. Stuttering that boy. Oh, I'm fooling. Yeah, he came fresh out the lot, man, with the cat. Had to come get the tire litter, man. You already know what's going on. My dog just got that wicker bill installed with me. Finna go ahead and slide out. Spotted a 19 ZL1. First one on the streets, ladies and gentlemen. Up early today. Shout out to this customer, man. I just had to show him some love. He did these himself. And he out here doing it better than shops, man. Double salute. We got King out there. Got his front tire letters ordered. Hopefully it's coming in today. Go ahead and get that fixed up. He over there half naked. All right, homie. Take it easy, man. All right. Truck gonna get finished up today too. As you can see, that thing is lacking. Yes, sir. We're in the world famous summit today. We got the Nova in here today, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that thing. Give y'all a chance to check out my stars in the ceiling, man. Leaving Summit right now. On the way to the house.